lapsed patents, rights of a patent is of a lapsed patent. Now here what has happened that with the that fees given, maintenance fee after giving, that patent will be like a restored. So what happens, you can just check here, where a patent is restored, the rights of the patentee shall be subject to such provisions as may be prescribed and to such other provisions as the controller thinks fit to impose for the protection or a compensation of a person who may have begun to avail themselves of or have taken definite steps by contract or otherwise to avail themselves of the patented invention between the date when the patent ceases to have effect and the date of publication of the application for restoration of the patent under this chapter. So, what is the meaning? That there are chances that if patent is not in the force, because you know the status of the patent, if you come to know and then somebody who is competitor who is like working in that domain invested some amount, some funds, some money in a venture which is related to that patent, thinking that this patent is like already in the public domain, whatever reason that the maintenance fee is not given. But what is a scenario is that this patent is in a public domain. Then in that sense, controller will have a rights to decide on the decision. Obviously here the chance, like if somebody claims that yes, okay, I will not go into the details of that, but just thing is like that, this can be easily, means if somebody claims that we have invested money, probably the owner will have a very good defense is there and they can use it, right? Okay, we will that is another that will digress our thing, and so we will go to the next one. No suit or other proceeding shall be commenced or prosecuted in respect of an infringement of a patent committed between the date on which the patent is to have effect and the date of the publication of the application for restoration of the patent. So this is the in a